Anshika Electrical and Electronics Service Center is an establishment that supplies and services all branded electrical and electronics appliances for clients in Ghaziabad, Wave City, Rajnagar Extension, Crossing Republic, Greater Noida West, Indrapuram, Vaishali, Vasundhara. We have provided good quality service, repair and maintenance at lowest rate. AC, Row, Geyser, refrigerator, microwave, mixer grinder, washing machine, chimney, LED TV and home sound, curtain rod, painting, tiles, wooden and module kitchen, plumber and wiring, sofa dry cleaning at home, split AC installation charge 1500, window AC installation charge 700, split AC service charge 450, window AC service charge 350, split and window AC visit charge 350, Geyser installation charge 350, Geyser visit charge 150, row installation charge 300, row visit charge 200, microwave visit charge 150, washing machine fully automatic service charge 300, washing machine semi-automatic service charge 200, freeze single and double door service charge 200, side-by-side freeze service charge 300, fan per point charge 100, tube light and holder per point charge 50, LED TV visit charge 350 to 450, chimney installation charge 350, chimney full service charge 800, chimney half service charge 450, calling number is 95 60 80 66 28, WhatsApp number is 95 60 80 66 28, landline number is 01204169 email it is services@anshikaelectronics.com. Company website is https://www.anshikaelectronics.com. Divya Singh is owner and build in 2019. Thanks.